I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you. And baby, even all the work.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this wig that I have on my head right now. It is from a company I work with in other videos, so I'm going to leave the playlist somewhere down at the bottom, and then I'm going to leave all the details I'm about to mention down in the description box. So this is from Ashimary. I believe I'm pronouncing their name right.
Mommy!
Okay, so like I was saying...
Mommy!
Okay, so take 4, like I was saying, they sent me their 360 lace wig, and it comes with 4C edges. Okay, I did not know I was going to love the 4C edges as much as I actually do. When I tell you I love this wig, it is amazing, hands down. First of all, number one, y'all know I love a kinky straight texture, and like I didn't mention, but this is a kinky straight texture. It is 22 inches, but it feels like 26 inches on me. I'm 5'4", so it's long on me, but the texture is amazing. The edges are amazing. It comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything, okay? And it's ready for you just to put it on your head. The only thing that I did is I put my contour powder so that the lace can blend in with my skin tone a little bit better. And because I'm going to be outside in this North Carolina heat, I went ahead and I used my Bold Hold Liquid Gold just to lay it down right here. But you do not have to do that, but because I'm going to be outside and I just want it to be a little bit more secure. I don't know. I decided to use it, but you don't have to. You guys are going to see when I was installing it. You can literally just rock it glueless if you want. I did use my wax stick just to lay down this right here when I was using my hot comb, this thing. I love this. I'm gonna link my Amazon storefront in the description box because that's where this is if you guys wanted to check this out. Now this edge control, if y'all are on TikTok, y'all probably already seen this. This is Bask and Lather. It is so freaking good. They're marketing it for 4C edges, hair, period, and so good. I like freaking love this stuff. It works so well in my natural hair, but it also works with these edges. As you can see, they're laid, okay? And I'm not one to do my edges the best, okay? But I feel like they look good right now, and it is not oily. It doesn't leave, it's perfect. It leaves no residue at all, and they not moving. They're literally not moving. So I use that, and then I put my concealer in the parting space just to open it up and brighten it up a little bit. But I did an updo. I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to take the claw clip out, but I just wanted to show you, like, it is 360 all the way around. It has an elastic band, which I adjusted, and it does not have the adjustable loops straps, but it has the invisible straps that you can literally pull and tighten so that it fits the back of your neck really nicely. So you guys are going to see what I'm talking about if you guys haven't already seen it, because I literally demonstrated for you guys. But I like it better than the adjustable straps just because it really tightens the lace right in the back. But the main part of that is because you can wear it up. It's a 360 lace wig, so you're going to wear updos, right? So I just wanted to show you, I'm not a very tight, perfect updo type of girl. I'm more of a messy, you know, little all over the place type of updo girl. So this is what it's giving. I'm definitely most likely going to rock this down. Let's see. Yeah, I have like a little bow, but yeah, I'm just gonna rock it like this. And yeah, I'm definitely keeping this in my sash, not gonna lie. I went ahead and I put bobby pins on the side just, you know, to give it a little extra, you know, a little extra. But that's about it. I really have nothing negative to say. It's a really easy wig. These ready to wear and go wigs are just, they're getting better and better, okay? They're making little adjustments to the wig construction, and it's just overall, it's just a convenient wig. So if you're in the market for wanting a convenient wig, something you can just put on. Here it is. This one, check this one out. Check this one out, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.
What about my past? The things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls that didn't last. I know it's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You are the only one. When I'm not around, do you think of me? Or what the jealous ones are claiming me to be? You should know by now that it's gonna take a lot of trust from you for us to make it through. You should know, babe, you're my angel. Nothing's gonna make you fall from heaven. Girl, I just wanna love you. Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this.
Since I've come on home, where my body's been a mess, and I miss your kinky hair, the way you like to dress, baby. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. 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 Well, baby, I'll be sitting here waiting on you to come home again. And I won't leave. Promise I'll be here till the very end. By your side, to protect you and to love you and to be with you for life. Oh, come on home to me, Valerie. First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say
I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you? And baby, even all the worst nights